You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Hey, hello everybody. It's Jonathan Rose and welcome to Masters in Trading Live. At Masters in Trading Live, I get on here every day the market's open, even during the slow Thanksgiving week, talk about the market, share my thoughts. Once in a while, we'll even share our trade of the day. Yesterday, we had our live event. We had our live short-term options event. It was 100% live. We were on for 2 hours. It was a ton of fun. I got the chat open on YouTube as well. Brian, Harry, Mark, Dale, happy Thanksgiving to you and your family as well. John, Mark, Matthew, Jeff, Chris, thank you all for joining on YouTube as well. So yesterday we talked about our short-term options, and we're going to have that recording up for all of you guys. You guys could head to One Day Winners, onedaywinners.com. And you can watch the full recording. It's going to be up for a little bit. So let's go to the slides. Got a bunch to cover today. We're going to talk about our 0 days till expiration options. We're going to talk about our 1 day winners. We'll talk about the IWM. I'm going to say good morning to Paulie, Bill, and Rick. Hey, Rick, how's it going? And then we'll talk about the QQQs. Pretty wild morning. Excited to say in our short-term options, we've already had one of our subscribers make about 5 times on one of our short-term options trades. So Eddie, congrats. We're going to start out with Eddie. Let's see what we got. Okie dokie, here's the trade from this morning today. Eddie shared, got on Prince, 243 puts. I bought for 68 cents and I sold for 239. That's a $68 investment. This morning, selling at $239. So here is our Discord community. Our Discord community is now, what do we say? It's now, we start out closed, but now it's open. Welcome. So here is our new short-term options community. Today, well, this was yesterday, November 26th. And then today, let me just slide down to today. Lots of comments. In our first day, it was already time to share a trade. So guys, we got a short-term option trade. iShares, IWM puts. Let me show you why we're doing this trade. I'm going to open that up in just a second. But this morning, when I got in, I noticed something that was a little bit funky. And that's the thing with Thanksgiving week. Things get a little funky, and things get a little funky because of illiquidity. Illiquidity presents opportunities. And this weekend, nobody works. So things get messed up. What do we have here? The purple is IWM, the Russell 2000. White is going to be the NASDAQ, the QQQ. What happened here, fellas, ladies and gents? What's going on? They move together. They're dancing the whole time together. Once in a while, they'll break apart. They come together. Once in a while, the Qs get strong. They come together. But Thanksgiving week, the NASDAQ is going to say, no, I don't like Thanksgiving. And IWM is going to be, yeah, I love turkey. No freaking way. That happens because of illiquidity. So when we see things like that, short-term traders can take advantage of that. A new short-term trade opportunity has come into play. IWM set a limit order to buy the 242 strike puts for $1 or better. Filled. I bought 5. I bought 2. Filled. Are we having fun yet? Filled, filled, filled. Boom, baby, filled. Well, it didn't take very long because those 242s that we shared this morning and that Katie bought for 89 cents and Jerry for $1 and Old Dog New Tricks for 95 cents. 242s, well, those are trading for $1.60. That's a pretty good trade. So what we're going to do, we shared the 240s in our live webinar. We tranched into our 242s. Why did we do that? Here's why we did that. Things get broken going into Thanksgiving because a lot of people aren't trading. So we put that trade on. We're going to hold the trade. But also, guys, in our community, those learning, nobody ever went broke taking profits. If you're up 50%, if you're up 70%, there's nothing wrong with taking winners. Okay? I will share closes for the trade, but if you want to take a winner, you go in there and have some fun. IWM, again, second chart. We're getting right up here to expected move. We still have a little bit of room, but if the IWM does continue to rally, 247 is going to be some big resistance. But we want to hold through Thanksgiving, going to Friday, and hopefully we'll get that additional sell-off. Guys, head to One Day Winners. You can go to One Day Winners, and that'll bring up the live presentation from yesterday. Actually, let's make sure that actually works, because that would be pretty silly if I shared this and it didn't work. That would be really, really embarrassing. So far, so good. Boom. You can watch One Day Winners right here. This will be up for a little bit, and there's a really cool fast action bonus for those who are interested. One Day Winners. Oh, any questions? 1-800-383-0362. Ask for my good friend Tristan. He'll be prepared to answer any questions you got. And then finally, you can see the full offer, guys, at zerodayoffer.com. And you can see everything that's included with this entire offer. And again, guys, this is how to get into our Discord community. And here's our Discord community for short-term options. Everybody in our short-term options program is in the Discord community as well. And so this is what we do. Don, great, fantastic, good trade. Eddie does rock. Adding a tranche in French, I believe, not that I speak French, means pieces. Awesome. That's what I got for you. We're going to keep it a little short today. Thanksgiving week. Enjoy time with your family. I'm going to enjoy time with mine. We always go to my brother-in-law, my wife's brothers. They got 3 kids. I got 2 kids, 5 boys, lots of testosterone running around for Thanksgiving, and also 3 doggies. So it's pretty crazy. Oh, Brian, thank you, man. Awesome. Oh, the question is, what is the Vital software? So the Vital software, that is an excellent question. The Vital software that comes with this offer is a new tool that we've been working on for the last 3 to 4 months. And the Vital tool follows VIX term structure. So for those who are watchers of Masters in Trading Live, you know we talk about the VIX. We talk about the 1 day, the 9 day, the 23 day, the 30 day, the 37 day, the 90 day, 180, 360. So when we're looking at VIX term structure, we want to look at the relationship of all of these different volatility indices. And so our new Vital tool is a tool that makes it super easy to follow VIX term structure. before the Vital tool, what I was doing is literally following the VIX just with my trading platform here. And we would watch this really closely. But obviously, this is really difficult to see the full. Am I not sharing my screen? Sorry, guys. I wasn't sharing my screen when I did that. Here's what I just wrote down for the Vital software for VIX term structure. And here are all the VIX indices. What I was doing before we had Vital, I was just following these individually. Okay, you can see all the VIX indices are up today, but what we want is we want to look at the shape. That's healthy, that's not healthy. So that's bearish, and this is really bullish. And that is what our Vital software does. But also, guys, you can call 1-800-383-0362, and Tristan and his team are standing by, and they can answer any questions you guys have about the Vital tool or about that short-term options tool. Again, 1-800-383-0362. Cool? Demetrius, nice? All right, guys. That's what I got. Have an awesome Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching. That's what I got for you. Talk soon, guys. Thanks for watching.
Join us every weekday at live.mastersintrading.com.